headed by Mrs. Violeta Flores, beloved parents, dedicated teachers, spearheaded by Dr. Chaidik Diagkawili, fellow members of the graduating class batch 2026, other guests and visitors, a shining day. At this juncture, my heart overflows with joy because today is more than just a remarkable graduation. It is a celebration of every sacrifice, lesson, and every person's love and support, which molded us to reach this victorious moment. This year's theme, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character, emphasizes the crucial role of skills, talents, and competence, coupled with moral values and discipline that make a well-rounded individual, ready to lead not only today, but also in the future. It also echoes having service-oriented citizens who were rooted academically and morally for a more developed and more progressive Philippines. And so, at this moment, I could not express how grateful I am. For today's occasion is a manifestation of another milestone that mirrors another step to take. Because we are not only called as graduates, but also leaders towards a better nation with a strong educational foundation. With this, may I take this opportunity to give my highest salute to my beloved school, Sila